Aries, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At titingnan natin kung ano yung major surprise na parating sa inyo in 30 days. Yan. So, from the time na mapanood nyo ang reading na to, dahil ito ay isang timeless reading, anytime na mapanood nyo to, as long as makaka-resonate kayo, this reading is for you. Okay, major surprise in 30 days for Aries. And if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Pakicheck nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support, like, share this video, at comment na rin kayo kung kayo naka-resonate. Ano yung major surprise for Aries? What is the major surprise in 30 days? For Aries. Bottom of the deck, the Two of Pentacles. Ito yung time na may mga options na magiging available sa'yo. Lalo na kung dati is parang feeling mo wala kang choice. Ngayon marami ka ng choices. Ayan. So, mas maximize mo yung galing mo, yung talents mo or skills mo. Kasi, alam mo na kung saan mo siya gagamitin. Diba minsan kahit ayaw naman natin, napipilitan na lang tayo kasi wala tayong choice. Pero, kayo, Aries, meron kayong choice. Ayan pwedeng meron kayong matagal nang hinihintay na kukontak sa inyo, magme-message sa inyo, or importanteng information na masusurprise kayo dahil matatanggap nyo na yung information na yon. You also have the Death card and the Nine of Swords. So, this is transformation. Ito yung magbabago sa buhay mo. Babago sa direksyon na tinatahak mo, na yung iba sa inyo, ino-overthink na yung mga nangyayari sa buhay nyo, na parang feeling nyo, wala na bang pag-asa, wala na bang pag-unlad. But yes, meron. Okay? You are stepping into your own power with the Magician here. Magician ay yung inyong talento, skill set, abilities. Maaring ang meron kang surprise na matutuklasan na talent mo na magaling ka pala sa ganitong field, 'di ba? Oo. So, yun yung gagawin mo, yun yung ipupurso mo, yun yung i-explore mo. However, you have the Five of Swords. Meron mga taong nakamatsyag sa'yo sa ginagawa mo. I feel like merong taong gumagaya sa'yo or kumukopya sa'yo sa mga ginagawa mo, sa mga strategies mo. Can be sa trabaho, sa business, sa career, or pwede ring merong ayaw magpatalo, Ayaw magpatalo sa'yo dahil feeling niya mas magaling siya sa'yo. Na laging nakabantay sa iyong kilos. You also have the Knight of Wands. And I see you working on the things that you really want. Na maglalakas loob ka na talagang gawin yon. Parang ipapakita mo dito sa taong to na mas magaling ka sa kanya. Oo. There's also a surprise visit from someone na pwedeng romantic connection or someone na malapit sa'yo or matagal mo na hindi nakikita. May surprise visit. What is the Magician? Justice. This is what you really deserve. Oo. Kumbaga, kung dati parang feeling mo hindi ka nabibigyan ng break, hindi ka nabibigyan ng pagkakataon na i-showcase yung talents mo, yung skills mo. But this time, yan, maipapakita mo na. May makakapansin na sa'yo. Meron ng mag-appreciate, mag-value ng kakayanan mo. What is the Five of Swords? The Four of Swords. I think, hindi mo na lang papansinin, yung mga taon na nagtatry na mag-take advantage of you or parang makipag-compete sa'yo kasi alam mo sa sarili mo na ang taong dapat mong kakompetensya ay yung sarili mo. 'Di ba? So, you will become a better version of yourself. What is the Knight of Wands? Ganda oh, Nine of Pentacles. Kaya talagang yung growth mo, yung finances mo, yung pag-unlad ng iyong trabaho, career, or business, ma-achieve mo talaga yan. And I think ma-achieve mo siya sa mabilis lang na panahon. Now, what is the Knight of Cups? The Sun. Some of you, no? Kung kayo ay nagbabalak na magkaroon ng anak, so pwedeng may pregnancy, or yung iba naman, this can be a new relationship that is coming to you. Can be a Leo, no? Leo or water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, or Pisces. Meron din ditong surprise na pwedeng magpapahayag ng kanyang nararamdaman sa'yo, like romantically. Or pwedeng ikaw yung magpapahayag ng nararamdaman mo. You have Mercury in Aquarius in the 11th house. Mercury is the planet of communication, thoughts. 11th house is friendship and your goals and your hopes and dreams and your community. So, kung nasa social media ka or nasa public eye ka, I see you na being more popular, no? Mas magigain ng traction yung iyong videos kung content creator ka. Mas mapapansin ka sa work. Mas mare-recognize yung abilities mo and talents and skills mo. You have Saturn and Leo in the 5th house. Kasi Saturn, the planet of yung structure, discipline, restriction. 5th house is your creativity. So, maaring ito na rin yung time na umaalis ka dun sa restriction na yon. Kasi nga, you are stepping into your own power. Alam mo na yung kakayanan mo. And I think may mga tao rin na nagpupush sa'yo na, gawin mo yan, huwag kang matakot kasi kaya mo yan, yung ganon. So, there are a lot of people na nag-cheer para sa'yo, who are rooting for your success. Kasi may achievement dito, oh. The Sun in the 10th house. Meron kang achievement sa iyong career, trabaho, sa business mo. Ayan. So, napakagandang achievement ang maaabot mo. Lalo na sa career, sa business. Ayan. Trabaho. Ano man yung pinupurso mo, source of income mo. And 10th house is also about reputation. So, mas magiging maganda ang reputasyon mo sa nakararami. You have the Whale. Whale is also about balance, no? And communication, harmony. So, maaring magiging maayos yung connection mo sa ibang tao, the way you express yourself, and the way kung paano ka rin tanggapin ng iba. So, yung iba sa inyo, public personality, ganyan. You have Crystal. Crystal is about healing. You are healing from your past, healing from your trauma. Tuloy-tuloy ang iyong pagsasaayos sa iyong sarili. You are aligning yourself towards your destiny. Kumbaga, yung iba sa inyo kasi alam nyo na kung ano yung mission nyo, why are you here, ano yung passion ninyo, na walang pag-aalinlangan, kaya ngayon may clarity na kayo. Oh, 'di ba? You're a star. You're a star. Star is about divine guidance, divine direction. So, Aries, you are being directed, divinely guided sa iyong destiny, sa iyong life's purpose. Mararamdaman mo yan kasi iba yung feels, no, na parang iba yung pakiramdam na alam mo na yung ginagawa mo ay para sa destiny mo na talaga. Now is the time to get out into the world and connect in authentic ways. O, 'di ba? Pagiging totoo sa iyong sarili. You are connecting to the world in authentic ways. Accept the inevitable, let go of the past, and welcome a rebirth to begin. So, first part ng reading ninyo is about, transformation. So, that's rebirth. Meron kang ile-let go na energy from the past at magfo-focus ka sa iyong future. Ayan. Kung ano yung future goals mo. So, that is your reading, Aries. Thank you so much. See you again.